who knew Bublé started it all? That is CTV News for this Monday, April 19th. I'm Lisa Laflamme for Lloyd Robertson and all of us here in the National Newsroom. Thanks for watching. Lloyd will be back tomorrow. Good night.
CTV News, Canada's #1 newscast.
CTV News Channel is here.
When you need to watch.
When you need to know.
Here at home.
Beyond our borders.
Beyond all borders.
That's what we deliver.
Every moment of every day. Watch CTV News Channel.
Tonight, Vancouver bans butts at the beach. When will smoking no longer be allowed, and how will the city enforce it?
From Robson and Burrard in downtown Vancouver, this is CTV News. Here is Carrie Adams.
Good evening. Thank you for joining us. This could be the last summer people in Vancouver are allowed to smoke in parks and beaches. Tonight, the park board voted unanimously in favor of a permanent ban on lighting up. But there are concerns about how effective the ban will be. CTV's Maria Weisgarber has our top story.
It's for recreation or relaxation. People flock to Vancouver's parks and beaches, but not everyone finds it easy to enjoy the outdoors.
With 2 open heart surgeries, you definitely don't want to smell smoke next to you.
When the idea of banning smoking in parks and on beaches came before the park board, so did people with personal stories.
I had been exposed to smoke even in my own home for many years, but I never smoked. And yet the most likely cause of my cancer was cigarette smoke.
Why do smokers say, well, what about my right to enjoy myself? What about my right to enjoy myself, even if I didn't have asthma?
Along with health concerns, park board staff also listed litter left behind by smokers as a problem.
We've had letters of support from groups such as the Stanley Park Ecology Society citing that the cigarette butts are very toxic pieces of garbage that are swallowed up by animals, ducks, geese.
The park board says the butts not only pose a hazard, they're difficult to clear away.
The beaches look a mess, along the benches is a mess, and I think there should be a stop to it.
I don't know how that's going to stop people from smoking.
Park board staff say a public education campaign will come before the ban, but will it be enough?
We have parks and beaches all over the city, and we have very few bylaw officers to go out and enforce the bylaws that we have.
Stuart McKinnon hopes the city will chip in for more officers to help make sure people butt out.
We have to put our money where our mouth is and be able to enforce what we're doing.
The park board ultimately voted in favor of the ban, which will officially kick in on September 1st. Maria Weisgarber, CTV News, Vancouver.
BC Ferries is looking at making some big changes in how they handle baggage for walk-on passengers. Penny Daflos joins. So the Canucks 2 games to 1.
Yes, still very much in this, but a little daunting the way this has all gone.
What happened?
Well, the Canuck penalty kill is just terrible. 7 for 12 in this series is the Kings' power play. They were 3 for 3 tonight. It just doesn't work. Now, all that being said, that's the real reason. Still, a lot of people are going to be pointing to the no goal, which is going to happen.
Blake is back with us, and I was this close to picking the Canucks to lose in our CTV loser pool, but I didn't.
You'd be very unpopular in the newsroom.
Well, that's why I didn't do it. I would rather not enter than do that. But
social unrest, yes. Well, it was very nice of you, but they were. That was smart of you thinking that, because they were headed out on the road, and if the Canucks were any more a home team, they'd have an umbilical cord attached to GM Place. The scary thing was the Canucks somehow lost game 2, and tonight found themselves in La La Land, literally. Pretty decent. That was as good a compliment as Perry was going to get, but he was pretty good, wasn't he?
I thought he was great.
Yeah.
Got a couple of baskets.
Drained a couple
Nothing
shots.
wrong with that.
Yeah, more than the Canucks could probably boast about right now.
Ooh,
so.
Ouch.
Yeah.
Hopefully they'll do better.
They have some time.
Why did the Ducks climb the stairs? It's like a riddle. Well, the answer's after the break. Stay with us. We're talking about ducks. It's not a hockey-related
No,
story.
Anaheim?
as-
Okay.
Yeah, Blake thought so at first. but no. Of all the places for a mother duck and her babies to show up, the White House, and they faced quite a difficult task. Take a look.
A good Samaritan cameraman. They just wanted to give them a little bit of a bump up. He thought he just painfully watched them try over and over again. Great footage, so I'm not going to help them.
Yeah, we don't know if they ever made it, but
Yeah.
I can only hope that someone gave them a little lift.
Lucky, isn't there a White House dog? Luckily, they weren't around. Would have been a scary night for the ducks.
Very
I think they're okay.
Good night. See you tomorrow.
Working for you, Bill Good and Pamela Martin on CTV News, Channel 9.
April 19th, 2010. From Comedy Central's World News headquarters in New York, this is The Daily Show with Jon Stewart.
On our program, we're delighted to announce Representative John Dingell of Michigan is going to be here.